Okay, so on my number 3 it says use y equals mx plus b to write an equation of the line given the following information. The line passes through points and they're giving me points 1, 5, and 6, 0. And so again they want us to write our answer in slope-intercept form. So I need to figure out what my slope is. I need to figure out what my b is.
Why?
So remember, slope is found in difference in y's over difference in x's. Oops, 1 minus 6. There we go. So that gives me 5 over negative 5, which gives me negative 1. Our slope is negative 1. So we have y equals negative 1 x plus b. Now negative 1 times x, you can just write y equals negative x plus b. Now you can either choose this 1, 5 or this 6, 0. I really suggest choosing anything with a 0. It makes it a lot easier. So from this, I know my x is 6 and my y is 0, and that will help me find my b. So I have 0 equals negative 6 plus b. So to solve this, let's add the 6 to both sides. And I get 6 equals b. So now I have y equals negative 1x or negative x plus 6. Okay, so on my number 4, they want you to do the same thing, but this time the points are 5, negative 6, and the other one is negative 9, 7. Okay, so again, they want a slope intercept form of a line. So we need to figure out what the slope is and what the y-coordinate of the y-intercept is. Let's find the slope first. So difference in y's over difference in x's. So that gives me negative 13 over a positive 14. Okay, so that doesn't reduce at all. We're going to go ahead and keep this fraction. And we are going to have a bit of a mess, but fortunately you have a calculator, so that should really work out well for you. So we have y equals negative 13/14 x plus b right now. So I'm going to go ahead and use this point. It'll work just as well if you use that point. So our x is negative 9, our y is 7. So 7 equals negative 13/14 times negative 9 plus b. And I just go to my calculator here and I'm going to figure out what my negative 13 fraction bar 14ths, get out the denominator, times negative 9 is. And I'm getting a positive 117 over 14 plus b. Now I'm going to subtract this from both sides. And again, I'm not going to get too upset. I'm just in my calculator going to type 7 minus fraction bar 117 over 14, and I'm getting negative 19/14. Okay, so there's my b. My m was, where did that go? Negative 13/14. My b is negative 19/14. So my equation is y equals negative 13/14 x minus 19/14.